Hi my dear friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today's video is going to be quite interesting. I am going to be starting with an initial deposit of $20, and hopefully I'm able to hit my goal for today, which is around $7,000 to $8,000. Hopefully by the end of the video I'm able to hit this goal. And also I'm going to be trading with the MACD indicator, but of course I'll be combining it with technical analysis. So together with these two, I'll try and hit my goal for today and make very good profit. So stay tuned until the end of the video. If you like this strategy, you may be able to use it as well in your trades. So let me show you how to interpret this indicator and make very good profit. So to start off, you need to choose the indicator. I'm going to click this button and choose the indicator MACD. Here you can make the moving averages thicker for you so you can be able to see them better on the chart. And here you can see the display of this indicator. So this is the histogram, which is red and green bars, and also the moving averages of green and red colors. And here you can see the intersection that is happening, and here also the red histogram is appearing. The price in this case is moving lower, and here you can open a down trade. Another situation is when you can see that the green line is moving higher and the green histogram is on the indicator. The price in this case is moving higher. This means that you can open an up trade easily. Another example you can keep in mind is when you see the flat zone and the price doesn't move exactly how you want. You will notice that the moving averages are also very close to each other and there are lots of intersection. So this is not a signal because the bars are changing their colors very often, and it's very difficult to understand what the price would do next here. So it's better to avoid these situations and find another situation if you find this situation when you're trading. So let me start and find my first trade. We have the green histogram and the moving averages are crossing each other. So here I'm going to open another trade for 2 minutes because I'm seeing that the price will be moving up, and earlier you can see that the price impulsively moved down and the price is slowing down its movement. You can see the green candlesticks and there are lots of them. So all these moments signal that the price has a very good upside potential. And now let me see what will happen next. So I'd like to talk about my private chat in Telegram channel because it's quite useful for you, especially if you're a first-time trader. You need to join this private chat. There is a link under this video. It's a link to my personal chat. Just write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. This private chat will be useful for you because I post a lot about binary trading. I also post my trading signals there. You can also interact with other members of the group as well as ask questions about binary trading because I'm always replying to all your questions. So please join. This is a very good trade, guys, because you can see at the beginning the price didn't really move very confidently, but then impulsively moved up and I got my very first profit for today's trade. You can see the indicator showed me a very good entry point. This is a good start. Let me continue. So guys, here you can see that the price shows a downward movement, and right now you can see an attenuation on the chart. The indicator also shows the green histogram and the moving averages are crossing each other. Here I'm going to open a trade for 2 minutes because I think that the price will be moving up, and also you can notice that the price has already moved up, and right now you can see the price has slowed down its movement. I'm supposing that it will be pulling back up, and after that it will move down according to this down trade. So here I'm going to try and make money on this movement. Let me wait for the end of this trade. So guys, this is awesome. You can see that the price moves according to my scenario and goes higher, and the profit here was very good. You can see that the indicator gave me a very good entry point. Let me continue. Here I can see that the price is bouncing down and the indicator also shows the red histogram and the moving averages are intersecting. In this situation, I'm going to open a downward trade for 2 minutes because the indicator signals that the price has a very good downside potential here. And also I can see the flat zone, and higher you can see that the price has the resistance zone. The price has already bounced from this zone and showed a very good downward movement. So in this zone I can see the direction the price has started to move down. That's why I think that the price will be moving lower, and I want to make very good profit here. Let me wait for the results. So before I continue, I have noticed that a lot of you are not yet subscribed to my channel. It's really quite quite useful for me if you subscribe to my channel, because there's a lot to learn on this channel, especially if you're a new trader. There's a lot you can learn about binary trading from my channel and watch my previous videos. And also you'll be supporting me as well by subscribing to this channel. And also don't forget to like all my videos. Also don't forget to share them to your friends. So guys, this is very interesting. You can see the price moves according to my scenario again and shows a very good downward movement. So the trade was very profitable here and the signal was very good and I got a good entry point. Let me continue. So guys, here I can see that the price is moving down. I'm going to open a downward trade for 2 minutes immediately because the indicator is showing me the intersection of moving averages, and you can see that the new bars are red on the indicator display. And earlier on, you can see that after the growth, the price has showed a very good downward movement, and right now the price has moved up for quite a while without bounces. You can see the impulsive red candles here. This means that the pullback will happen very soon. That's why I'll try and earn very good profit here. Let me wait for the results. So guys, this is very good. You can see that the price impulsively moved down and this trade is profitable and I got a very good profit. So this situation was quite interesting. You can see that the indicator showed me a very good entry point and I've made very good profit. You can see that now my deposit is $230. I've already increased my deposit 10 times. Let me continue and find more situations. So looking at what we have here, I can see the downward trend on the chart and the new bars are the red ones, and I can see the intersection of the moving average that is occurring. Here I'm going to open a downward trade for 2 minutes because I can see that the price highs are becoming lower and the price has been trending down with red candlesticks mainly. I can also notice the support level and the price has already bounced up from it earlier. So you can see now it's approaching this level line. That's why I really think that this zone will be broken through very soon. You can see that the price is moving lower. So let me check what will happen next in this trade. So if you are looking for brokers that can help you in your trading, I mainly use the quotex platform and the pocket option platform. These two platforms are quite reliable. You can also keep your money there without any issues of it being withdrawn suddenly. So I advise you to use these two because I've used them for quite a long time. They're quite easy, quite reliable and quite trustworthy. So I left a link under the video. It's a link that you can use to register, and also it comes with a first time bonus when you register. So this is awesome, friends. You can see the price moves down, but after the bounces up, you can see the trade closed lower than the entry point and I made a very good profit here. Let me continue with another situation. So guys, here I can notice after the downward movement, the price is moving higher. So let me open the trade for 2 minutes here because I can see the intersection of moving averages and the green histogram is appearing on the display. I can understand the price has the upside potential. I can also notice the price lows are becoming higher and the price is going higher impulsively. Let me wait for the results. This is good, friends. You can see the price moves according to my scenario and I made very good profit. The price showed a very good growth here and my entry point was really good, and now you have a better understanding of how to work with technical analysis and the indicator together. Let me continue. So here, friends, I can see the price is still moving higher. I'm going to open a trade for 2 minutes because the moving averages are crossing each other and the green histogram is appearing on the display. I'm seeing that the price lows are becoming higher. You can see the resistance level. The price touched it several times and the price is squeezing this level. That's why I really think that the price will try to break through this level again. But let me wait for the results. This is excellent, friends. You can see the price show slight movement up and my trade closed higher than the entry point. Here I got a very good profit and now you can see my deposit is $1,000. So I'm confidently approaching my trading goal. Let me continue. So guys, here I can see after the movement, the price bounces down. I'm going to open a trade down because the green moving average is going lower and the red histogram is appearing on the display. Earlier, the price moved up quite impulsively with green candlesticks mainly, but now you can see a very impulsive movement down. So all these movements signal the price has a good downside potential, and I believe that very soon the price will be moving down for a while. Then wait for the results. So guys, this is awesome. The price moves according to my scenario and I got a very good profit. You can see that this indicator showed me the reversal of the price and I've made very good profit on this. Let me continue. So looking at what we have here, I can see the price impulsively moves down and the green line is going lower. Here I can see the red histogram and it's a signal to open a trade down, because I can see earlier there was a reversal of the price and also the new price high is lower than the previous one, and you can see the slight attenuation after that and the price moved down. I can understand that the price has a good downside potential here. So let me wait and see what will happen next. So guys, this is awesome. You can see my trade closed lower than the entry point and I got a very good profit. The indicator showed me a very good entry point. Let me continue. Here I can see the price moved down for a while and I can see an attenuation. The indicator shows the green histogram and the moving averages are crossing each other. So here I'll open a trade for 1 minute because I think the price will bounce up, and you can see the same pull back up on the chart. I think the price will be moving according to the scenario and maybe it will move down according to the general downward trend. So I believe that everything will work out during this 1 minute, but let me wait and see the results. So guys, this is quite good. You can see that the price moves according to my scenario and I got a very good profit again. You can see there was a movement up. The indicator showed me a very good entry point and you can see that now my deposit is $7,000. So I'm going to stop my trading section here. I will fix this profit and leave the market. So if you have any questions pertaining to binary trading, you're looking to learn more about binary trading, you're looking for tips about binary trading and how you can start, especially as a first-time trader, there is a link under the video. It's a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word Money Team and I'll add you to this private chat. This private chat will be very useful for you because I also post my trading signals there that you can use to make very good profit. So please join. So the trades really worked out quite well today. As you saw, I made very good profit. I hit my goal for today. So you can see that combining technical analysis and then using the help of the indicator actually makes you get very good profit, because with technical analysis you are sure about your trade, but then if you use the MACD indicator you can find good entry points and together with them you're able to make very good profit without making any errors. So as always, carry out technical analysis first, then use the indicator signals. This is in order to avoid errors, as I always emphasize. And also, if you would like to support my channel, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video that is posted. And don't forget to like my video and share my video as well. I'm wishing you good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.